For years, Apple fans have been asking, no, demanding, a foldable iPhone that could finally challenge Samsung's Galaxy Fold lineup and push smartphone design into the future. And now it's finally happening. The iPhone Fold is rumored to be Apple's boldest and most futuristic device yet, combining cutting-edge materials, revolutionary hinge technology, and powerful hardware into one seamless masterpiece. From a liquid metal creaseless hinge to dual displays that transform your phone into a mini tablet, this is not just a smartphone. It's the start of a new era in mobile technology. In today's video, we're breaking down every major leak, design rumor, and innovation that makes the upcoming iPhone Fold one of the most anticipated Apple products in history. So sit tight, because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you see the iPhone forever. Stop scrolling, because Apple's next big revolution is here, the iPhone Fold, and this time, it's finally creaseless. After years of speculation, delays, and countless concept designs, Apple is ready to redefine the foldable smartphone experience in a way only Apple can. Expected to debut in September 2026, the iPhone Fold combines innovation, luxury, and engineering mastery into one extraordinary device that's built to change everything we know about mobile technology. Let's start with the most mind-blowing leak, the liquid metal hinge. Unlike the flimsy or crease-prone hinges we've seen on other foldables, Apple's hinge is built from an advanced liquid metal alloy that's both durable and flexible. This engineering marvel minimizes the crease effect almost completely while providing a smooth, seamless folding experience. That means no ugly line down the center, no uneven pressure points, and no long-term wear issues. It's a hinge that's designed to last for years without losing its strength or fluidity. Apple's approach to this problem proves its commitment to durability, elegance, and function, giving users a foldable that feels every bit as premium as a standard iPhone, but infinitely more versatile. Now, let's talk about the second major innovation, the dual display setup. The internal display is expected to measure around 7.8 inches, about the same size as an iPad mini, offering a tablet-like experience in your pocket. Apple is reportedly reducing bezel sizes to create a nearly all-screen front when unfolded, perfect for immersive experiences like streaming, gaming, or multitasking with multiple apps side by side. Imagine editing photos, attending FaceTime calls, and browsing Safari simultaneously, all with the fluidity of iOS 20's optimized multitasking interface. The external display, on the other hand, will be around 5.5 inches, ideal for quick tasks such as replying to texts, checking notifications, or controlling music. This balance between portability and productivity gives users the best of both worlds. Compact convenience when folded and full screen power when opened. And yes, this design choice makes it the most practical foldable yet, eliminating the gimmick factor that plagues other brands. Moving on to one of the most exciting returns in Apple's design philosophy, Touch ID. According to leaks, Apple will integrate a side-mounted fingerprint sensor directly into the power button, similar to the iPad Air and iPad mini models. This reintroduction doesn't mean Face ID is gone. Instead, users will enjoy both options for faster and more flexible unlocking. It's a simple but powerful change that adds to the overall convenience and accessibility of the iPhone Fold. Next, let's discuss what keeps this folding powerhouse running, the carbon lithium battery. Foldables often struggle with battery life due to their dual-screen design, but Apple's new carbon lithium technology reportedly allows higher energy density in a thinner structure. With a capacity exceeding 5,000 milliamp hours, the iPhone Fold promises all-day power, even with both displays active. This breakthrough ensures your device stays cool, lasts longer, and charges faster, supporting Apple's growing ecosystem of MagSafe accessories and fast-charging adapters. Imagine watching hours of content, playing demanding games, or video calling, all without worrying about your battery dying halfway through the day. It's the perfect combination of efficiency and endurance, marking another Apple milestone in battery innovation. And speaking of endurance, the build quality is classic Apple, premium, precise, and futuristic. Expect aerospace-grade aluminum edges, ceramic shield detection on both screens, and perhaps even a translucent glass finish on select color variants. Leaks suggest the device will come in titanium silver, midnight black, and a stunning pearl white, giving it a clean, luxurious look that screams innovation. But Apple isn't stopping there. Sources hint that the iPhone Fold's display will reach up to 2,800 nits of brightness, ensuring crystal clear visibility in any lighting condition, along with promotion 120 Hz refresh rate for butter smooth transitions and animations. Another leak worth noting is Apple's focus on software synergy. iOS 20, launching alongside the iPhone Fold, will introduce a new flex mode that dynamically rearranges apps when device is partially folded, ideal for hands-free video calls, multitasking, or media playback. For instance, you can fold the device halfway and watch YouTube on the top half while reading comments or controlling playback on the bottom half. This smart adaptation ensures a fluid experience across all apps, integrating seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem, from iCloud to iPad and even Vision Pro. And yes, Apple is planning deeper Vision Pro integration, meaning users can wirelessly project the iPhone Fold's content directly into an immersive 3D environment. Imagine unfolding your iPhone, placing it on your desk, and viewing it in augmented reality through Vision Pro. That's Apple's vision of the future. Now let's talk price and availability. The iPhone Fold is expected to hit the market in September 2026 with a starting price between $1,600 and $1,700, making it Apple's most premium offering yet. But considering it combines the power of a flagship smartphone with the productivity of a mini tablet, that price seems justifiable. You're essentially getting two devices in one sleek package, crafted with Apple's signature precision. And if leaks are accurate, early prototypes are already being tested internally under the codename Project Mira, with mass production slated to begin mid-2026. Apple is reportedly partnering with LG and Japan Display for its foldable OLED panels, ensuring top-tier color accuracy and durability. Now, let's take a moment to understand what makes this foldable different from the competition. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Google's Pixel Fold may have paved the way, but Apple's emphasis on crease-free design, material innovation, and user experience elevates the game entirely. The liquid metal hinge isn't just about aesthetics. It's about longevity and quality. Apple's meticulous approach to testing ensures this hinge can withstand over 500,000 folds, which translates to nearly 10 years of average use. Combine that with advanced waterproofing, optimized app scaling, and tighter ecosystem integration, and you've got a device that feels effortlessly premium. Another exciting rumor hints at Apple Pencil compatibility, allowing users to sketch, annotate, or edit directly on the unfolded display, essentially turning the iPhone Fold into a pocket-sized iPad Pro. If true, this would be a massive win for creators, designers, and professionals alike. And of course, let's not forget Apple's attention to privacy and security. With both Face ID and Touch ID available, plus Apple's latest secure enclave and end-to-end encryption protocols, your data remains completely protected. The iPhone Fold is more than just a phone. It's a statement of design, power, and adaptability. It's Apple's way of saying the future of smartphones isn't about bigger screens or better cameras. It's about flexibility, the ability to adapt your device to your moment, whether you're streaming, working, or creating. And as always, Apple's marketing tagline says it all. Fold the future. Unfold your world. So here's my recommendation. If you've been holding off upgrading, this is the iPhone worth waiting for. The combination of creaseless hinge, dual displays, Touch ID, carbon lithium battery, and iOS 20 Flex mode makes it a monumental leap forward for Apple and a defining product for the next decade of mobile technology. The iPhone Fold isn't just another release. It's the dawn of a new chapter in innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's most futuristic device yet, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow Apple fans, and subscribe for more exclusive insights into the tech world. You're watching TechVerse, where technology meets discovery, and I'll see you in the next one.